It occurred to me that I never did a video of the 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea GAF Viewmaster Nautilus. So take a look at it. This is 3D printed, of course. It's in two halves. It's hollow. In the event you want to add electronics, the conning tower is removable with some girth, and this comes off, which is an open hatch. Put the two halves together, lines up nicely. You can drill these out, put lights in them. This one here has been textured, rusted. It's a waterline model, meaning that this will eventually go into a little tray and fake water around it with some lights and some special effects. It will have some lines coming down here as if it's been riveted. There are no rivets on this thing at all. It's kind of plain. So enjoy it and give me your feedback. Oh, by the way, this one here, since it's 3D printed, this one here is 16 inches. It can go up to 24 inches if you like. Thanks for looking.